Hey guys, how are you doing? Hey, it's me, Mr. K, and I think it's time to do a word ladder. Yay! And guess who I have with me? It's Mooey Booey! Mooey Booey! Yeah, he's excited too. Okay, let's think of our first word. It's another word for garbage. What's another word for garbage? Ah, you got it. It is trash. Okay, write the word trash on your whiteboards. Oh, you know what? We forgot to tap it. Okay, let's tap it first. So, elbows up, ready, set, go. Trash. T, sh. Good. Trash. How many sounds are there? T, sh, t, sh. Four sounds. Yes, because digraph sh just makes one sound. Okay, good. Now, the next word is we're going to change the first letter, and it means this happens when two cars run into each other. What is that called? Yes, it is a crash. Now, what letter is going to go there for crash? Let's tap it first. Ready? Go. Crash. K, sh. So k could be a C or a K. What's it going to be? It comes at the beginning, so it's got to be a C. Unless it has an E, I, or Y after it, it's going to be a C. Okay, a crash. Next word. We're going to take away the second letter, and it's another word for money. Another word for money. What could that be? Well, let's take away the second letter, and we're going to keep the first letter. Let's see, what does that say? Sh. Cash. Let's tap that. Ready? Go. Sh. Cash. Yes, you got it. Good job. Mooey Booey, did you get it too? Mooey Booey. Yay! He is so happy. Okay, next word, we're going to change the last letter. A doctor puts this on a broken arm or a broken leg. If you break your arm, what are they going to put on your arm if you break it? Let's see. Anybody know? It is a cast. Let's tap the word cast. Ready? Go. Cast. Cast. What goes here? Cast. Yes, a T. You got it. Cast. Awesome. What are some words that rhyme with cast? Cast. Blast. Like I'm having a blast. I'm having fun. Or boy, he can really run fast. Yes, good job. You got it. Okay, next word. We're going to take away the third letter, and it's a pet that purrs. Take away the third letter, so erase the third letter, and we'll keep our letter. A cat! Yes, a cat purrs when it is happy. Yes, look at the little kitty. All right, let's tap the word cat. Ready, set, go. Cat. 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 Good job. One more word. We're going to change the last letter. So erase the last letter, and here it goes. To be able to. Like I blank ride a bike. So if you are able to ride a bike, you would say I ride a bike. I can ride a bike. Yes! Can. Let's tap that word. Can. Ready? Go. K, a, n. Can. K, a, n. Yes! We changed the letter to N. I can ride a bike. Yay! Good job! Okay, that's it for today's word ladder. Mooey Booey, can you tell them goodbye? Mooey Booey, goodbye! Good job today. Goodbye.